I first came here, I thought that I already knew all this stuff. But actually, there was a lot that I didn't know. I was able to learn what to do and not rely on family or parents for help. I learned how to do these things by myself. And with practice, it'll just get easier in the future. We learn what to do when paying bills. What you need to know, what is important, and where to find websites for more information. For the past 2 years, I had no idea how to do taxes. Luckily, they taught me how to do them. I'm glad I know how to do them now.